guy's scaring me. Look at my nose.
I'm scared of being harassed right now.
Come here. Come.
Let's just turn at that corner. Fuck.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be vlogging my weekend. The only thing I have planned for today is getting my nails done because my nails are in shambles. I'm not even going to show you guys. I'm thinking of taking pictures today. My friend said she's free by like 5 p.m. So yeah, we'll see about that. So I'm ready to go. I have my headband wig on. I'm going to do my nails. It's 10:53. Yeah. I just finished my class. It's like 10 something right now. 11:03. I finished my class and I talked to the professor for a while. So like I finished by like 10:30. I started by 8:30. So today, the only thing I have planned is to take pictures today. I'm thinking of taking pictures. By like 12. So I want to eat first. Yeah, I want to take pictures today by 12. Let's see if I can get ready before 12. It's already 11:04. So I'm thinking that I'll probably be ready by like 1, not necessarily 12. So let's see how that goes. I'm on my way to see my friend. Oh my god. So right now I'm about to enter the train station. I'm going to take the train to Shepherd Young. Then I'll meet my friend at Shepherd Young. Then we're going to go to Eating Center. After that, we'll probably go eating later in the day. But yeah, I'm spending the day with Abby today, so you guys are going to see her. So, let me put this up. So I'm here with Abigail. Sweetie. So, we have some stuff we want to buy. But first, where are we going to first?
We're at Eaton's, by the way.
We're at Eating Center. I don't know where exactly. We just came off.
Bro, how'd you go upstairs?
Because I'm wondering. I don't know how.
Downstairs.
We shall find a way. But, yeah, the lighting is blessed. So, I'm happy. Happy to see Abigail. Cutie. I swear. My lip gloss is gone because of this mask. Well, don't worry. I would be feeling. We're going to take pictures today. Your mask?
Yeah. Yeah, my mask is very dirty.
But yeah, titties out. They out today.
I have turtleneck. Do you see the difference?
Oh, what's wrong with
No, man, in a good way now.
In a good way.
Let's
them
take
titties
activity first.
sitting, you know the fucking vibes, you know the vibes. Anyways, we have some things we want to do. She's scared of the escalators. Why are you taking your time?
I'm not scared.
So I have some things we need to do, and then we're going to go out to eat later on. Abby, you take over here. Okay, Abby is lost. We'll find a way now. Yeah.
How do you go to like?
You can queue, dress from PLT, necklace from Luxurize or whatever. I don't know. Nails done, bags. And that's from period. Yes, sanitize. 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 Period.
Oh.
Hey guys, I just saw a fine guy. I'm going to ask you for a snap. So wish me luck.
We're asking them for snap.
No,
Guys,
we.
what about
This one has a man.
Guys, what about if he says no? Do you think, on comment down below, right? On comment down below, do you think it's proper if a girl asks a guy for their number? Or should the girl wait for the guy to ask them for the number?
Like, what do you, like,
Who
that
do you
gender
think
roles,
should,
who
yeah,
should ask?
should
But
initiate
regardless
the...
of it, I'm interested.
We're going to go shoot our shot. No, I want to feel you shoot your
No,
shot.
you can't feel it though.
Okay, sorry, bye.
Girl, your eyelashes are thank you.
Did you do them yourself?
No, they're strip lashes.
Did you do it yourself?
No, they're strip lashes. Like,
I know,
just,
but
yeah, I
did
put
you-
them, yeah, I put them on. So.
You have to do it for me sometime.
She's a makeup
I make a
artist.
actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So see what happened. At the beginning of I went to talk to him. Not I didn't go to talk to him, but like I thought he was talking to me. My friend has a video. Okay, as the guy is not showing, so I can post
My
it.
friend, after you introduce me, you're saying my friend.
Abby has the video, so I'll add just a small peek of me talking to him. I thought he was talking to me, but he wasn't talking to me, so I was like, oh, are you talking to me? He was like, nah. But he was not like, wait, he's not called me. And I said that, oh, are you Nigerian? Blah, blah, blah. That was like his way to talk to me. Then he was like, let's be walking. Then before the guy would have to be vlogging as talking about it. He's like, you know. But anyhow, see doggo.
I have you, baby. I have you.
But anyways, so he now
Yeah, let
asked
me
me.
just
he
say,
said,
1 second.
yeah.
Everyone's just looking at her.
Because the
It's
T's
good
are
to
out.
walk beside her.
It's the D's are out.
It's good
That's
to walk
what-
beside you.
Oh God, you are taking. That's where they can see that you're taking. That's why you're not talking to
It
you.
says take it. It says
It says
married.
take it married on your head. So actually, I think I need headphones, but that's the last minute. That's the last thing I will get. But anyway, he now ended up asking. He now ended up telling me that he now asked me what's my name. The guy actually thinks he's smooth, man. He asked me what's my name. I said Toyo. He was not like, oh, is that your Snapchat name? I was not like, no, it isn't. He was not like, oh, what's your Snapchat name?
Why didn't he ask her? Why didn't he ask you for your number? I feel like Snapchat is like a fuckboy playmate.
Are you serious?
Guy, why are you asking for?
But he's like, I don't
feel
talk
like,
to.
I feel like
you don't-
number
boy-
is like I want to get to know your number. But like Snapchat is like. But
I feel like
snaps.
number will still come, but like to me, Snapchat. Even though I don't know, man, I don't give everybody my phone number. Oh. Like I'd rather get my Snap first, and then I'll see if I'll add him. But if I give my number, you can always call me. Do you get?
Yeah.
I don't know something that I don't really care. The guy is so fine, like 6'2". This is cute. Thumbnail.
People would think we're
Crazy because I'm vlogging like this, but it's calm.
It's normal.
I say it's normal, man.
Normalize vlogging.
But the way I'm going to give everybody eye contact because I'm looking for a husband, yo. I'm joking. I was in Wahala for who no look for husband, man. Me, I also want to fly me out.
You're not
I
supposed to
also
be looking for husband, sis.
I also want to fly me out.
See how that guy just came to you.
Thank God he gave me the one
You know,
ask me
guys
because
are
I would think of actually
you
going
know
to ask
guys,
him.
You know, guys
Bro.
are actually like they're actually very shy. If he wanted to ask you for your number, he could have come and asked you for your number now.
So you guys, he texted me, so I'm going to show you guys like a sneak peek of the DMs, but I'm not going to show his name before you guys go on. It was nice meeting you. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Now I just came to pick up some underwear because I need compulsory shit. So right now we're at the center. Nike, so we're getting
Sport check.
my sport check. Sorry, my sport check. We're getting my. Look back. You're running. Body shop done.
think that's like right beside
Let's ask no one. I'm not wearing a mask. Don't look that way. Don't look that way.
us. Okay, let me take this out. Okay, the guy's scaring me. Oh, look at my nose. It's scaring me. Oh.
So, you guys, I'm scared, sharp. But like, I don't want to shoot in my face before you not like.
Okay, if he makes any move, we're running.
I'm running. I've already got my phone.
We're running. We're holding.
Right now.
We're charging our
We're
phone.
charging my phone. So I'm just waiting. My phone's always dead. But we're charging my phone. So hopefully, this guy doesn't do anything because he does it. I'm running with my phone and leave my charger.
Okay, we're running. Like, the guy moved from the front of us.
Beside
us.
Looking at us.
And he's been looking at us.
I don't know whether I want to ask us a question or something.
That's it. And guy, we think he's homeless because like
his bag is torn.
he looks like those
and he's holding it on his back like all those
homeless people.
But like
Like-
I don't really against them, but I'm just scared of being harassed right now because he's been looking at us since.
This is sketchy. Which was local. We're going to a restaurant.
I'm going to a restaurant. What's the name of the restaurant?
Donatella something. So guys,
Where are we going?
no, come here. Come. I don't know. I'm just trying to run away from him.
Okay. I should not Uber. Let's Uber, please.
Guy.
But for real, we don't go to follow us if I get car.
Yeah, he can't follow us in the car. Guy, this guy came out from the mall.
This guy came out from the mall. He was following us. This guy was walking behind us. Walking slow.
Guy, this guy's a mad person. Like, he's not regular like me and me following somebody. Guy, don't look back. Just keep going. No, but he will start to know. Let's just keep going. Guy. Okay, when we turn the corner, we'll call Uber.
Even if we don't follow the car. It's on feet. I'm sure it's cold.
Guy, this guy is homeless. Guy, can you just stand up? Let's call him.
Hey. Okay, I'll call him now. It's fucking cold, bro.
Okay.
I'm shivering after all the babe. It's my hair. I've been saying we should run. Let's go turn at that other corner. I'm going to slide, guy. Be careful. See how I'm running like an idiot. I can't even run. What's the name of the restaurant? Check. Can I check my phone?
Guys, find Uber now. Guys, this is mad.
Girl,
Come on, just
add flash, please.
Okay, guys.
You guys, they actually followed us.
Guys, okay, wait. So we left eating. No, you talk. You talk.
So we left eating center and we're planning on walking because it's a 10 minutes walk from the restaurant. So like, okay, come, we just walk there because it's not that deep. The weather is okay. This guy outside, we just chill outside. We think that we're chilling inside. The guy kept on looking at us, and we're feeling uncomfortable.
We told you guys that the guy moved beside us.
So we're just like, this guy. I just like left his shot. We now get outside. He now followed us. We now crossed the road.
And then we ran.
He think that he chilled there. We now ran for
we ran and then we hid in the
5 minutes. We ran for a while. I can't believe we're running. But anyways, we ran for like 5-10 minutes.
Yeah.
And then
we hide in the corner.
We now stood and waited for our Uber.
Yeah.
Then what even happened? When Abby now saw the guy, I thought she was even joking. She now saw the guy again. And
guy,
the guy,
I just popped my head
was
up.
down 5 minutes away. So I was like, I don't want to do something to us on this side.
I popped my head up. And then I just saw him. He was looking down the street.
I think his hair is very significant. Like
yes,
his hair is
and he was wearing white clothes.
And he's tall and light skinned.
Oh my gosh, guy. And then we entered one restaurant. We told the restaurant that somebody's following us.
And he saw the person.
If we can stay.
So
yeah, we just saw the person.
So the guy just let us stay for a while. And then an Uber came, we now crossed the road.
Guys, my heart is beating so fast. I'm going to go.
I just hope you know. So it's a patio dinner place because it's a pandemic. So yeah, it's a pandemic. I'm still shaking, boy. I'm still shaking. I'm just hoping I don't see him again. I know his face. Like I'm traumatized. Like I'm just hoping I don't see him again. But we entered. Like I'm still shaking and it's now cold on top. So let's order food. I'll show you guys the sexiest food. Hopefully it's nice. I thought it it was a joke at the beginning. I was still
When we
like,
came up with this,
like,
eating center, I was like, okay, it's joke.
he now followed us after we ran. Oh my
And you know,
god.
the thing is, he's actually real stuff because he waited.
He
It's not like
waited.
he started
Yeah,
walking,
he waited. He waited. I think he wants to run around us in the mall.
Yeah, and
But
then-
like obviously he knows that cameras and stuff like that. Like
Yeah.
he's so
And then
super.
not
Can you
only
imagine someone?
cross, then he started to cross too.
He thought I think that he was walking. Let me tell you,
When
social
he wanted
pass
to
walk
cross,
slowly.
when cars are passing.
I wanted to cross.
Yeah, I thought he smiled.
Okay, I'm going into a train now. We're done eating. My nose, the makeup on my nose is gone because of the mask. But anyways, we're done eating. So right now, I'm cold because we have to eat outside. Fucking ghetto. Because it's a pandemic. It's a pandemic.
Someone told you said that.
It's a pandemic.
Pandemic.
I think the cold's making the alcohol hit more. Not serious, but like I feel like I'm tipsy, but you guys, let me tell you what happened just now. One guy that I stopped talking to. Yeah, one guy that I stopped talking to, like, like I lied to him that I was going back to school, and then him too, he saw me, and I saw him, but we didn't get eye contact on him. I was shy. It's calm. I don't know, man. The story is just funny. People that know about the guy will get why it's fucking funny. Behind the scenes. I'm cold. I need to let's sit down, please. Abby, come join me.
There you go.
So right now I'm just warming up, getting ready to go back home. I've been traumatized. I don't know how tonight's gonna go. I'm gonna meet one of my friends on the way because she wants us to go to the same place. So I'm gonna like have a mini sleepover. Yeah, that's right. Here's that text. You texted her now.
Oh, shit. Oh, that's what you're supposed to get. It's cold.
It's cold. The whole never gets cold, and that's on period. See vibes. God, I'm waiting for my own.
Why the phone not get
Why who not get bail?
boyfriend though?
Who not get boyfriend though?